Big trends in the pharma and medical device industry are driving the need for innovation. Where can you go to find the technology you need to keep up? The answer is Healthcare Packaging Expo 2019, September 23rd through 25th at the Las Vegas Convention Center. A major demographic shift is driving the need for packaging that is friendly for seniors while still tamper-proof and child-resistant. More consumers are saying no to one-size-fits-all medicine. For pharmaceutical packagers, that means demand for more localized production, smaller batches, and shorter lead times. Meanwhile, pharma packagers are using smart labeling technology to connect with patients and improve adherence as well as to track products and monitor conditions throughout the supply chain. Product protection is as important as ever and more complicated, thanks to rising demand for home delivery. Cold chain solutions are important to maintaining product integrity throughout the pick, pack, and ship process. Sustainability and eco-friendly packaging continue to be top of mind with consumers. Waste reduction is as good for a company's bottom line as its brand image. New processing equipment can help pharma companies also gain efficiencies on the front end. Healthcare Packaging Expo is where you can explore solutions that will help you answer consumer demands and elevate your brand. Find technologies from 250 pharma-specific exhibitors and an additional 1,750 crossover solutions from exhibitors at co-located Pack Expo Las Vegas. Only at Healthcare Packaging Expo. Register for only $30 at hcpelasvegas.com.